Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to star a file as favorites in Google Drive. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and star something in your Google Drive. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But here we are in Google Drive, and you can see that when I click Start, I have some certain folders here. So in order to actually star a certain file, you could actually go ahead and right-click the three dots on the right-hand side, and then simply click on Add to Starred. Once you've done so, click on Start, and you'll see that that project has been added to your starred section. This makes it easy to actually go ahead and access. So do this for any important folders that you access quite frequently, so that you no longer have to look for them in the drive. And then in order to actually remove a project from the starred section, you just hold the project, click on the three dots on the top, and then click on remove from starred. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a file to starred on your Google Drive. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.